you might as well know that I'm still in this crude oil BoT setup. We had 3 higher lows. If anything, remember I was saying earlier about how like the noobs, if we pushed a new high, the noobs would quickly move their stop to right here and they would have been flushed out. So this is why you kind of have to do that 3 high low method. So if I was counting back after here, I'd go 1, 2, 3, maybe here. Well, I still have the stop there. And lo and behold, look what's happening here. So in comes a new double bottom. Turns out this was just a liquidity grab. So this is why I think it's really important if you're going to trail stops here with the BoT that you do that 3 high low method so you don't get flushed out really quickly on these kind of FU moves that seem to happen here. Anyway, as Sjord was talking away, you heard me go, oh, look at crude's perking up. So I was like, all right, hey, we're going to get a fill here pretty shortly. I'm feeling pretty good. And then all of a sudden they went whoosh. It was just like, oh, that sucks. Well, here they go. They're coming back. And actually, we could probably even now off of this cute little double bottom do things like fog and bombs. And this will probably tell you where it wants to go. So boom. Oh, okay. So let's get that nice and crisp. There we go. So interesting. I was wondering about this because if you look back on the charts, notice this double top breakdown reference. One of the reasons why I actually liked this trade this morning was next key resistance after we went through this high on the 4-hour chart was up here. So that's that air pocket, and you can see there is my profit-taking area. I had noted that this massive double top, up, down, up, breakdown, that's a double top breakdown level, and quite often what happens after the dump is they just literally bring the market right back to that level. So anybody who wanted to put that trade on at that level gets the opportunity. That's our Wyckoff check. So that's what I think is going on here today. Is there, number one, you can see where the 200 SMA is here. You know, there's not really a hell of a lot of upside resistance. You know, look left. Once we cleared through this high, this was all open air. So I was kind of like, geez, I really want to try and get long somehow through here. And the end result is this is how I snuck my way in. 30 minutes also too. This is a cool lecture for you guys and girls. Here was that 4-hour resistance level. There is that double top breakdown level reference. You can see it right there, double top. I mean, look how close we are to getting out of this trade. So I might even be done here before I even finish this sentence. But Chris actually reminded me of this, and I haven't traded these levels in forever. But who can tell me, let's see if you've taken the education program, and if you can remember half of this, who can tell me what this would be considered right there? What is that? And if you're taking the level 2 education program, you know what this is. So don't hold out on me. What is that red line right there? In fact, here we can even maybe make this a little bit bigger for you. But oh, good. Well, you're missing the big thing though. Good Nori, good Astra. What's the word that I'm really looking for here? There's one very specific word. POC is part of it. Hey, very good, Cypher. Excellent. All right, so Cypher was the... Cypher said NPOC. All right, so Cypher, you were the only one who got it. So this is what's called a naked POC, i.e. price has not traded back to it. You can see it's all just open here. And I used to know a guy, Chris, on the CME floor, and literally, this was his bread and butter. He just hit naked POCs. And so my hunch is you're going to have a bunch of professional floor traders that are all going to short that level right there. So my hunch is that they want to take the market up into that naked POC. This naked POC right here is just, it's almost like it's a magnet. And literally, the POC itself is just sucking price towards it, right? We're going to, let's see, I used to go like this, go, wow, 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 come to me, baby. And I want to get a fill here before I stop talking. But when I saw that this morning, I was like, oh, that's a no-brainer. Because remember, there's that 4-hour horizontal support and resistance line I told you about, and that's also to the top of value. Also notice too, there's also a naked POC all the way up here too. So there might be a lot of fireworks up in this area. It wouldn't surprise me, actually, you start seeing price get extremely volatile right up around this area. So you can see, look how close I am to my profit objective. Come on, you bastard, just get up there. Kind of a fun analogy also too, looking at this 30-minute chart. This is a bit of a sloppy setup this morning. There's no doubt about it. This was very, very sloppy, but this counter trend rally produced a nice little consolidation in here against the moving average support, and that's where my little lower time frame 3-minute bot setup. You can kind of see this looks like this is off a 30-minute chart now. It looks like a to B, C to D. So that's the setup that I'm trading, if you will, off the day trading thinking. Kind of a fun day in the market. Started off, I took a very small risk against the gold market, trying to sneak in on a bot there, but it got stopped out. So anyway, this is what I've been in here through the whole call here today. And it's been sort of like, okay, what the heck's going to happen here? There is that double top reference. Interesting, we got a foggy boggy just sitting right at that double top reference. There is that ABCD objective, 74 and an 8. And there is my profit order just floating out there. And if I did 3 high-low method now, I'd probably go 1, 2, maybe 3 here. I suppose just for shits and giggles, we'll move our stop up against this tail low. And if this does turn into a massive top, then I'll just walk away with a small profit. So that's sort of what's going on in day trading land for Brian.